Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Poco M5s. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and download completely free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, click on Open. Now, in order to operate the Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Samsung. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to and then close it by tapping on OK. Now click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung if it's not already on, and Receive over here on Poco. From here you can select all of those dots and then hit Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of your files from all of those categories and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo. Click on Send and tap on OK. Then select Got it. And over here tap on the best option for you. In my case, no thanks. Now tap on Close this window, and as you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, then choosing while using or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, as you can see, after a while, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!